There's only one problem with us riding the Ferris wheel. One of us is afraid of heights.
If I had a panic attack on Ferris wheel, would you guys laugh?
You're scared? So today the only thing we really have planned is we're going to Odaiba. And funny enough, exactly 1 year ago today, we were also in Odaiba.
Wow.
But what do you actually remember from Odaiba?
Good food, a giant ass Gundam. I was really tired.
It was raining last time though, so at least this time it's like sunny and nice weather, so we can actually go see Tokyo Bay. I finally have some money today for shopping, specifically for shopping, because yesterday I spent all my shopping money at Don Quixote buying jellies. And I have like $2 or $3 right now in yen. That's it. I have to use that money to get to a currency exchange, and if I don't, then it's gonna get real interesting.
Yeah.
Let's see how the rest of this day ends
Let's
up.
just jump into it, you know?
Let's just jump into it. What did you find?
Wedding magazine. This is my second one.
Why do you keep finding those?
Sorry, I'm thinking of our future.
I'd like to go on the Ferris wheel later. That's really nice. There's only one problem with us riding the Ferris wheel. One of us is afraid of heights. Another one of us is afraid of small spaces. And another one is afraid of small spaces and heights.
If I had a panic attack on Ferris wheel, would you guys laugh?
You're scared?
Hey.
Thank you. Look, we can buy little souvenir
Hi, kid.
Hello Kitties.
Hello, Gumpums.
What? I was like, what are you saying?
You speak English?
English?
Hello. It's me again. Mira.
Hey vlog, we're back. We're back in and we're on top of.
Hello. Let's just
Jump
into it.
Where's the Gundam?
Mira, a web turn.
Oh shit, that's a big bitch.
And a boy. That is a big. Talk about a vlog spot.
After surviving the giant wheel of nightmares, we walked to the Digital Art Museum and found a huge line. So we realized that the line, incredibly long. We started walking to get to the end of the line from where the start of the Ferris wheel is, and you can see that all the way back there. And then the line is still getting longer as
You didn't record the line?
time goes on. No, I didn't record the line, but I want to see how long it's gonna take. So right now it is 11:35. Let's see how long it takes us to get through the line. We only waited like 25 minutes. I'm gonna make everyone on Facebook jealous for just a second. So I'll see if I can get more of this place. digital art museum is one of the coolest things I've ever done. I highly recommend it. I'm going to leave a link in the description of where to buy your ticket. Was the line worth the wait?
Yeah, absolutely.
I said it was 11:30 when we got to the end of the line. It is now 2:35, so we spent a shitload of time in there. By the time we were ready to get out, as cool as it was so hard to find the exit. Pretty sweet. I definitely recommend buying your tickets before you come. If not, you have to wait in line and then buy your tickets.
Imagine all the type space that I'm getting.
Wow. It's hard to show how enormous this actually is. Like if I walk up to the foot, I'm probably where that first little line is, like right below the ankle. It's huge. We spent the rest of the day eating and shopping. Odaiba has one of the best malls in Tokyo, so if you want to do some shopping, Odaiba is definitely the place to go. And there's one of my favorite arcades there too. That's it for today. I got some pants, which I never expected to get from Japan. Pants! So thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you next time.